Many maps support offline navigation, but which is the best is the most important question. In this video, we'll cover those best offline navigation apps. So, let's get started. The first map that I really like is WeGo. It checks all the boxes to start navigating offline. It lets you download the whole country's maps. For some larger areas, we can download specific cities to save storage. Also, WeGo is the only app that I could find with a button to enable offline mode. You may click here anytime to stop it from using the internet. It also automatically turns it on when the internet connection drops. Of course, the traffic data is not updated, but it shows the shortest route to the destination. The app also downloads road limits and speed cameras so that we can drive carefully. WeGo supports driving, public transport, cycling and walking, and all of them are available offline except the public transport. Overall, it's an amazing app to have. Organic Maps is another app supporting offline maps. The second you open it, it requests that you download the maps for your region. We can download them for other places in the settings. Organic Maps uses OpenStreetMap data, so the search is not the best, but it's improving as the community has been adding more addresses daily. It also downloads speed limit data and it tracks your speed to ensure you stay within the limit. The red light cameras are also reported to help you avoid any hefty fines. Its interface is clean with a row showing the car speed, travel time and distance. The traffic lights and the common places such as hospitals and fuel stations are visible as you travel. The next is the most popular app in the world. Google Maps offers offline navigation without any charges. However, it's different from the rest. It doesn't download a city or the whole country, but we can choose the area to download. It focuses on small areas and lets you download the ones you actually need. For example, if I'm going to Melbourne, I can just download the map for that area. In a single go, it can download a few hundred kilometers. When you search offline, it shows a warning of limited search, but I've tried it multiple times and it always finds the address. Like most here, it doesn't offer an offline button. It automatically makes it offline when the internet connection drops. The app automatically updates the offline maps, and if they are not updated on time, you won't be able to use it offline. The next on the list is Maps.me. The app has been here for ages, and like the other apps, it uses OpenStreetMap data. When you open it, it shows your region with a download button. We can download up to 10 maps for free. Its interface gives a premium vibe with dark colors. The road limit is downloaded with the data, and as you travel, it shows your current speed. When you exceed it, it will turn red on you. Like others, it has a row for distance, travel time and arrival time. Users can report police and speed cameras along the way when the phone is online. It doesn't have a button to use the app offline, but it does its job when the phone is disconnected, and it does an excellent job. Alright, I have also added a premium navigation app. Sygic is a paid application offering rich features not found anywhere else. When you open it for the first time, it asks you to download the maps for your region. If you want to save storage, you can download them for your city only if the option is provided. All the offline settings are here to update the maps and download for other regions. Like others, Sygic does not let us enable offline maps. The app automatically enables it when there is no internet connection. It also uses some of its features offline even when the internet is connected to save as much data as possible. A lot of the information gets downloaded, so we get notified of speed cameras, speed limit, any hazards, railway tracks and so on. I feel its interface is a bit busy, but that's because it wants to show you as many details as possible. Alright, if you're concerned about your privacy and don't want to share anything with the map provider, OsmAnd is here for you. It's an open source program using OpenStreetMap. It does not collect any user data, and we can download some maps for free. We can save maps for a region or the whole country. We can even pay a little bit to get Wikipedia access, trend map and weather forecast of places. However, the free version has plenty to offer. The maps interface is clean and we get to see the car speed right here. It shows parking, pedestrian crossing, traffic lights, common places and more as you travel. Overall, OsmAnd is one of the best apps if you want to navigate offline. With that being covered, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more like this, and I'll see you next time. Take care.